Welcome guys to this brand new episode of Wild of the World, and this time I'm in the south of France. Way down in the south, because we are in Guadeloupe, on the French Antilles in the Caribbean. But of course the journey started earlier on. From the Dominican Republic we have been hopping islands for months on our way to the south. From Antigua we now fly to island number 12 in just over half an hour. This is Guadeloupe. With 1,600 square kilometers, this is the largest of the French Antilles. And that's why we decided to rent a car and drive to our hotel in Le Gosier. So we're staying just outside the capital Pointe-á-Pitre in the place called Le Gosier on the beach. And this is our room of Caravelle Hotel. Let's see the view, guys. Let's see the view. And Jens. Whoa. And this hotel is quite special. It is shaped like a boat, but upside down. We are right next to the most beautiful beaches and look out over the turquoise blue Caribbean Sea. Wow guys, this is waking up to a beautiful view. We're just having our breakfast over here, and above the water we got this live entertainment from the Papalapelicanos. While we enjoy an authentic French croissant, the pelicans also seem to look for their breakfast. They are quite busy and we have front row seats to this spectacle. Guadeloupe is a very remarkable island and one of my favorites in the Caribbean, especially because you get the best of everything. Like the best beaches combined with activities, culture, food, volcanoes and even rainforest. If you want it all, this is your best pick. At our hotel, we relax at the pool and prepare to explore this incredible island. Guadeloupe is not just one island, it's actually a group of over 10 islands, of which the biggest are Grande-Terre, where we are now with the big hotels, the resorts and the beaches, and Basse-Terre, an island full of nature, volcanoes, rainforest, and we're going there today. With this car that we rented at Archipelago, so let's cross over that island. Consider that Guadeloupe is part of France and therefore the EU, the roads are very well maintained. Well, okay, most of the times. Welcome to the incredible lush rainforest of Guadeloupe. The biggest part of Basse-Terre consists of the National Park of Guadeloupe, a beautiful jungle with some beautiful waterfalls, like the one behind me. We parked the car and we're gonna make a little hike to the Chutes du Carbet. The Carbet Falls are one of the main attractions of this island, or should I say, 3 of them. The highest one is about 115 meters high, and it's very spectacular to see. However, we don't stay too long, because we immediately experience the tropical weather of Guadeloupe. Wow, that rain was really heavy, but they don't call it a rainforest for nothing. So, we're at a new hiking trail for the Grande-Terre, which is a nice lake. Oh! The nature here is overwhelming, and while the park is quite big, you can take short walks to many beautiful places. Once back in Le Gosier, it is time to visit the beach. And we also get a chance to see how the weather on Grande-Terre is very different than on Basse-Terre. Because the sun is shining here. And we can also make a very nice little trip from our beach. Just off the coast lies the beautiful bounty island, Îlet du Gosier. You can get there by boat, but I'll fly over there with the drone. It's a beautiful day again here in Guadeloupe. We just woke up, grabbed the car, and we're gonna make a little trip along the south coast towards the eastern end. And we begin at La Caravelle. Look at this beach. You understand, this is the best place to fly the drone, right? La Caravelle is one of the most beautiful beaches that you can find in the tourist town of Saint-Anne. The shape of this beach is especially amazing. We are not the only users of this beach. These iguanas turn up everywhere. So far we have already seen how diverse Guadeloupe is, but I'll take you to the most extreme. We go east for the most spectacular landscape in all of the Caribbean. We drove as far as we can possibly drive on Guadeloupe, to the east at Pointe-á-Pitre. And the surroundings here are completely different than where we are yesterday. Because yesterday we were in the middle of the jungle, and over here is like a moon landscape, dry rocks and rough sea. I love it. And so Guadeloupe seems like a continent instead of a group of islands. It reminds us of Australia as we watch the wild waves around us. With the drone we can really see what the Pointe-á-Pitre looks like. we see all the colors of the rainbow and a bizarre dramatic location from above. Right at the ultimate cliff there is a famous cross, which is why it's called the point of the church. From this beautiful place we drive back to civilization. Stay tuned to see how the adventure continues. The best part of traveling the world with the three of us is cleaning up the mess in every single room. Especially the mess that Jens made. Hey Jens? So, we're moving on from Guadeloupe to the next island that has even more beautiful nature than this one. Could it possibly be? Yes, because it's Dominica. I'll see you there. I'm really excited because you come to the Caribbean to sail a boat. And this is actually the first time that we're gonna take a boat because the other 5 times was a flight. We're waiting for the boat right now. Yes! Vader Jensie! Check in next time when we cross over to Dominica. Subscribe to our channel and always travel with us. Ciao!